computers are very important in our current society. People use them for entertainment, business, research, education, and many others. It cannot be denied that computers have become very huge factors in modernizing our world. As a matter of fact, most activities of man today are related to or are brought about by computers. And without computers, a lot of these activities like banking, education, communications, airport operations, traffic operations, business operations, and even governments will not be possible. So what are the types of hardware that help computers to fully function? A computer will not function without a system unit. Along with other types of hardware for computers, this part plays a major role in computer operations. The system unit is an essential box that houses all other PC hardware. It houses the motherboard, the drives, the power supply, cooling fans, and many others. It is responsible for connecting all individual components to create a system. It also serves as a protection or a barrier to external conditions that may damage the delicate circuits found in computers. There are two versions of the system unit, the desktop version and a tower version, of which the latter is more popular. Next important piece of computer hardware are the motherboards. These are as important as the other types of hardware for computers since they integrate all the functions of the other parts and make them function as one unit. Other hardware that is connected to the motherboard is the hard disk, which is physically connected to the motherboard either directly or by use of cables. Another reason for its importance is because it houses the computer's CPU, which is like the brains of the computer. It performs millions of processes that take place inside the computer all at the same time. The hard disk, on the other hand, is especially designed to do one specific purpose, which is to store all information at amazing speed and can never be replicated by other types of hardware. Hard disks store programs, music, movies, Word documents, pictures, and all existing file types in the digital world. And without storage, all the necessary information will go to waste. As of the moment, the biggest hard disk space that any company can offer is 4 TB or 4 TB. 4 TB is equal to 4,000 GB, which is roughly around 4 million digital pictures. Computers are power guzzlers. And so, it is very important that these machines have their own system of managing their power consumption. The types of hardware that are responsible for this are the power supply units. The power supply unit is usually a black box located inside the system unit and supplies power to the motherboard and the other types of hardware found inside the computer. It also has its own fan to cool itself down as the process of providing power to all computer parts generates a lot of heat. The power supply also serves as a protection for the computer parts since power surges or fluctuations in the current can damage the circuits of the hardware.